Okay, so this is question 2 from 2016. It shouldn't really cause you trouble, okay? Because in the worst case, you can just put numbers in, yes? And if you're not doing that, you got to really think about what I've been telling you. Okay, so a 3-digit number in base 7 is also a 3-digit number when written in base 6, you know? Okay, so the fact that it can even be written in base 6, we've learned from previous experience that it's going to be like 5 something, right, at most. Okay. Okay, but each digit has increased by 1. What is the largest value which the number can have when written in base 10? Oh, so it's actually been rewritten in base 10. What is the largest value this number can have when it's written in base 10? So I think to understand the question, a good thing to do is to just try a number. Okay? So a 3-digit number in base 7. So come up with a 3-digit number in base 7. Okay? What's your favorite number?
333.
Okay, I would have preferred a smaller number, but
What about 235?
3. No, I kind of like numbers like 1, 0, 0. You know? And this is base 7. Yeah? If I have control of the number, I mean, obviously you want the biggest number, so maybe this is not the best, but you still got another half hour to do this. So like 107 is basically 49, right? Yes? It's 7 squared. If you write 49 in base 6, okay, it's 1, now it's, 36 plus 12 plus 1, yeah? So it's 1, 2, 1, base 6. Okay. Each digit has increased by 1. Well, it hasn't, right? One of them has. And now you should actually understand the question now. See? It's one example that lets you understand the question. So you have a 3-digit number, base 7, so 100. It converts into another number in base 6, where all the numbers are shifted up by 1. Yeah? So, yeah, so that tells you what you really have to do, okay? So if you just do it generally, so you have like A, B, C in base 7, right? That's equal to, something. A times 49 plus 7B plus C, right? And that's supposed to equal, A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1, base 6, right? Which is equal to 36 times A plus 1 plus 6 times B plus 1 plus C plus 1, yeah? Okay. And so all the things that work, and remember, you have one equation with 3 unknowns. So essentially, 2 unknowns are kind of free, and one of them is determined. Yeah. So you do 13a plus b equals, and then it says 36 plus 6 plus 1, right? Okay. So this doesn't even involve c. Okay. So c could literally be anything, but obviously, for this to make sense, c can't be like 5, right? It has to be like 4. Okay. So the biggest c could be is 4. Yeah. Right. Okay, you have to convert. Yeah, it's just, I can't check your answers. C is 4. And we basically need 13a plus b to be...
Why can the biggest value of C be 4?
So if you're writing it in base 7, it has to be less than 7, right? So it could be like 6, yeah? No, maybe it's 5. Wait, hold on. So but then you have to add 1, right?
Oh, so I can't. Okay.
To make it when you write in base 6. So if it's 5, then it'll be a 6, and you can't have 6. Okay, so it's pretty much 4. Okay, now 13a plus b equals 43, yeah? Okay, so the way to solve this is basically find the biggest multiple of 13 that's less than 43, which is 3, right? Then a equals 3, and b equals 4, yeah? So then your number is 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, yeah? So you just check that 3, 4, 4 in base 7 is equal to 4, 5, 5 in base 6, yeah? And can we check that? So 3 times 49 plus 4 times 7 plus 4, is that equal to 4 times 36 plus 5 times 6 plus 5, yeah? Huh?
170.
And they're both 179, is that right? So this is 151 plus 28. Wait, what? Yes, 179, yes. And then here you have 24 times 6, 29 times 6 plus 5. So it's 180 minus 6 plus 5, 180 minus 1. So it's 179 for both, yeah? Does that make sense? So you don't necessarily get the algebra straight away. You start with the numbers first, right? And then you know what to do with the algebra. Yeah, like in the actual exam, I expect people who are like kind of beginners to be basically trying like the first 4 questions for the whole 4 hours. So you have like an hour to do this, or 2 hours to do this. Alright, any questions about that? Remember this thing about always asking a question? The only one who does, I don't think, needs to ask a question is Lachlan. From what I can see.